Hey guys, if you're like me and enjoy a fresh cup of brewed coffee, you're gonna wanna watch this review on the Jura Impressa F7. I've been using this coffee machine for a couple years now and it's still my favorite. Even back in my boating days, we had this coffee machine on the boat. It is long lasting and can handle multiple uses of coffee a day. So if you're thinking about picking one up for the office or somewhere that gets high use of coffee machines, you're gonna wanna watch this video. The Jura Impressa is by far the best coffee machine on the market. The Swiss engineering has ensured that this machine will last and last. It starts by grinding the beans so you have the freshest cup of coffee that you can possibly have. It presses it in and brews you a fresh cup of espresso style coffee. You can ensure with its fresh ground beans that you will have the freshest cup around. It also comes with a nice filtered water storage. So it has a water filtration system built into it, although I still prefer to use filtered water so it gets doubled filter. It's easy to remove and you can just fill it up and place it into the machine. It also comes with a store. If you don't have fresh coffee beans, you can put ground coffee right into the machine. But I highly suggest using the ground beans and putting them into this container because that is how you will get the freshest cup of coffee. It also comes with this little storage center that I'll talk about later. It stores a cup to put the bypass for the coffee beans and other objects, as included the hot water heater. Here you can select the different sizes of coffee you want. There is a milk frother if you want a cappuccino style coffee that just attaches to the Jura and you keep it in the fridge. It just has a power on, power off button, so it's easy to turn on and off and easy to make your selection. It's also super easy to clean. It has a self-cleaning mode that brews hot water through the system after each cup. So I highly suggest putting a cup under when you're done with your cup of coffee to save water from the dip tray. Then you just simply pull out this tray that holds the coffee grounds and dump it in a nearby trash bin. Super easy cleanup. And you can just rinse the tray if you want and pour the extra water out in coffee grounds. But that's why I suggest putting the cup under to prevent more water from going into the dip tray. And there you have it.